everyone, welcome to today's session. In our last session, we are discussed about how to find number of groups and number of objects in each group in the division fact. Now, children, take your studio book, page number 123. Activity number 5.9. Find the quotient of the given division facts by grouping any object. If your choice, 1 has been done for you. Question number 1, 24 divided by 4. Now, total number of object is equal to first number 24. Then, number of object in each group is equal to 4. Now, we have to draw the stars first. One group having 4 stars. So, we have to draw 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be one group. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be another group. Like that we have to draw the stars. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Each group consists of 4 objects. Now 4 plus 4 will be 8, 8 plus 4 will be 12, 12 plus 4 will be 16, 16 plus 4 will be 20, 20 plus 4 will be 24. Like that we will get the groups. Now we have to count the number of groups now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 groups. So, number of groups is equal to 6. 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. The answer will be 6. Now, we are finding the number of groups, children. Now, studio book, page number 124, children. 36 divided by 9. First, number of objects are 36. Right here, total number of objects equal to 36. Then, number of objects in each group equal to 9. Now, we have to find the number of groups. For that, first, 36 divided by 9. For 9, each group consists of 9 objects. First, we have to draw the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The second set, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, another set, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Another set, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Like that we have to separate the objects. Now, we will make a group now. See, this set will be first group, second group, third group, fourth group. So, totally 4 groups are there. So, 36 divided by 9 equal to 4. Like that, you have to find the answer. Second question, 25 divided by 5. Now, we have to write the total number of objects. Total number of objects equal to 25. Number of objects in each group equal to, see here, number 5. Now, we have to start grouping now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars in each group. So, we have to draw 5 stars. If it is you want any another pictures, you have to draw by yourself. First set will be finished. Next set, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We will draw 5 stars in each group. Now we have to grouping the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be 5 groups. So 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Next sum, 16 divided by 4. Here total number of objects equal to 16. Number of objects in each group equal to 4. Then we have to start drawing the objects. For that each group consists of 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another set 5, 6, 7, 8. Next set 9, 10, 11, 12. Another set 13, 14, 15, 16. We will draw 16 star. Each group consists of 4 stars. Now we will grouping them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 groups are there. So 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Like that we have to find the number of groups, children. Next, 4 brothers equally share the eggs laid by their hen every day. They having hen. They will equally share the eggs every day. Now, today the hen has laid no eggs. For that day, the hen didn't laid any eggs. So, how many eggs will each of the brothers get? If it is the hen not laid the eggs means they will not get the hens. So, in that day they didn't get the eggs. So, we have to put number 0. Then, we write the division fact as total number of hens is equal to 0. So, first 0 divided by 4 equal to 0. 0 is divided by any number, we will get the quotient as 0. It will be important. Next, studio book, page number 125, children. Activity number 5.10. Complete the following division facts. Follow the given code and color the picture. For the answer will be 0 means you have to color it as brown. Answer will be 1 means you have to color it as green. 15, 52, 80 will be means you have to color it as yellow. For that, 61 divided by 61, any number divided by itself, it is called it as, it will be getting as a quotient as 1. 0 divided by any number, we will get the answer 0. Then 80 divided by 1 equal to 80, because any number divided by 1, we will get the same number. Like that you have to do all the sums, write the quotient, then you have to color the code. 0 as brown color, 1 as green color, 15, 52, 80 as yellow color. Like that you have to complete it. This will be your home fun. Those who are not having book, take a screenshot, children. Next, companion activity, activity number 5C. This is also your home fun. Next, companion book, page number 53, children. 5C. Read each question and fill in the blanks. We have to read the question, then we have to answer the questions now. First question. Those who are not having book, take a screenshot now. Second question. Third question, A option. For that, match the division fact with the correct picture. You have to match the division facts. Now, B option. Complete it and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Now, studio book, page number 126, children. Activity number 5.11, think and ink activity. First one, write the division fact for the following statements. Option A, divide the camels into 5 equal groups. First, we have to group the camels in 5 groups. For that, first we have to find the total number of camels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. For that, there will be total number of camels is equal to 25. Now, we have to group it as 5 equal groups. So, we have to group it as 5 equal groups. Now, we have to group it as 5 equal quantity. For that, each group consists of 5 camels. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. See here, we have to separate it as 5 groups. Now, how many camels in each group? We have to find it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 5 camels in each group. So, 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Like that, we have to divide the camel into 5 equal groups. Next, B option. Divide the lines such that there are 2 lines in each group. First, we have to group them 2 lines in each group. First, we have to find the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 lines. We have to separate it as one group consists of 2 lines. For that, we have to group it them 2 lines in one group. First set, second set, third set. So, we are separating 2 lines in each group. So, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. The answer will be 3. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Like that, we have to find the groups. C option. There are 32 sheets of paper. Hari puts them into 4 equal groups. How many sheets does he have in each group? For that, there will be total number of paper is equal to 32. Number of groups is equal to 4. For that, first we have to draw the group now. First group, second group, third group, fourth group. We are drawing the groups. Now we will start drawing the papers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next set 5, 6, 7, 8. Next set 9, 10, 11, 12. Next set 13, 14, 15, 16. Next 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We are separating 32 papers. Now we will count how many papers are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each group consists of 8 papers. So 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. The answer will be number of sheets in each group equal to 8. Like that, you have to find the answer, children. Next, studio book, page number 127, children. D option. Ken has 30 eggs. He packs them as 6 in each boxes. How many boxes will he get? Now, total number of eggs is equal to 30. Okay, now number of eggs in each box equal to 6. Now we will find how many boxes will he get? For that we have to draw 6 eggs in one boxes. For that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be first set. Next set 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next set 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next set 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Next set 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are separating the eggs in 6 each boxes. Now we will make a box now. First box, second box, third box, fourth box, fifth box. Totally we need boxes. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Therefore, number of boxes equal to 5. Like that we have to get the answer. Now, second one, look at each division fact and write them as a statement. We have to write them as a statement. Question number A, 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. We have to write the statement now. Arun have 20 sweets. 20 sweets share equally to 2 persons. Get 10 sweets each. This will be the first statement. B option, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 12 flowers shares equally to 3 persons. Get 4 flowers each. Now, like that we have to write the statement of the given division fact, children. Next, now I can identify the amount in equal groups while dividing a quantity. If it is S, mean tick it here. Identify the number of equal groups that can be formed while dividing a quantity. Express a situation as a division factor. Apply division to solve real life problems. If it is S means you have to tick it now. No means tick it wrong. Next, companion activity project time 5D. This is your home fun. This is your companion book, page number 55, children. Project time, activity number 5D. Get into team of 4. Make a list of 8 tasks that are done regularly in your think room. Nowadays you are all in your home. So you have to do the activity in your home. Example, cleaning the board. You have to do what all the activity you are done in home. You have to write the activity name here, children. Next, divide the task equally among the 4 groups. You don't have 4 groups mean you have to do how many groups you are having. You have to write it here, children. How many tasks will each group get? You have to write the total number of tasks, then group, then how many tasks you have to get. You have to write it like that, children. Next, how did you choose the task? How you are choosing the task? You have to write it here, children. Next, are all the tasks equally divided among the 4 groups? Did you share the task equally? Means write it here, children. What would you do to ensure that all groups complete their task every day? You have to monitor every day whether all the groups are completing their task every day. For example, you can use a task chart as given to mark the task completed every day. You have to make a core chart like that. Then you have to write what all the tasks you are doing every day. You have to write it here. Then you have to make a mark Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Like that. For example, in Monday you are cleaning the board, blackboard eraser. Every day you are cleaning the board means you have to tick it here. For example, every day I clean the room means you have to tick it here. Like that you have to make a core chart. Then you have to make sure every day you are doing the work or not. Like that you have to do this activity, complete it and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book, page number 128. Complete the concept map. Now we are coming end of the lesson. Division. In division, group objects equally according to the number of groups. Division is nothing but grouping of object equally according to the number of groups. We are separating the groups equally. Then a number divided by itself gives dash as the quotient. Where, for example, 15 divided by 15, we will get the answer 1. A number divided by itself, we will get the answer 1 as a quotient. Then division is nothing but group objects equally according to the number of objects in each group. It is nothing but in each group how many objects are there, we have to share that equally. Next one, a number divided by dash is the number itself. For example, 15 divided by 1 equal to 15. So here answer will be 1. 15 is divided by 1, we will get the same number. Next, the answer of dividing a number by another number is known as the quotient. The answer will be called it as quotient. 0 divided by a number gives dash as a quotient. 0 divided by 2 equal to 0. So we will get the quotient as 0. Like that we have to complete the concept map. Next, question time. Question number 1. Group the objects and fill in the blanks with the quotient. First question, we have to find the total number of objects now. Count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now we will make two objects in one group. So we have to circle them as two objects. We are separating two in each groups. We will get the 3 groups. If you want 3 as a one group means you have to make another type also. This is for your own sum. Second one, dividing the following option A. There will be 6 pins. We have to separate 2. 6 divided by 2. If you are doing one type, we will make 2 pins in one group. Then we will get 3 groups. Like that we have to do, or else you have to make a 2 groups means 1, 2, 3 it will be a one group, then 1, 2, 3 it will be a one group. So 6 divided by 2 are equal to 3. Next, studio book, page number 129. 15 divided by 5 equal to dash. For that we have to separate the umbrellas as 5 in one group. So this will be a first group. This will be a second group. Then this will be a third group. So 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Now C option, 12 divided by 2. Here 12 stones are there. We have to divide them 2 in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 group. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Then third one, complete the division facts. 0 divided by 4 equal to 0. It's divided by any number, we will get the answer 0. B option, 20 divided by 20 is equal to any number divided by itself, the quotient will be 1. 35 divided by 1 is equal to any number divided by 1, we will get the quotient as same number. So 35. 0 divided by 45 is equal to 0. Like that we are completing this lesson. In this lesson we are discussed how to share objects equally, then number of object, total number of object we are discussed in this lesson. How to write the division fact, then any number is divided by itself, we will get the 1 as a quotient. A number divided by 1 is the same number itself. 0 divided by any number, we will get 0 as a quotient. These are all the things we are discussed in this lesson. Bye bye children.